All nouns in Ukrainian can be considered animate or inanimate. A book or a car is inanimate. It isn't alive. It doesn't think, talk, speak, or anything like that. A dog, a person, or a child is animate. It thinks, talks, walks, and all that. This is important to understand because Ukrainian makes one more distinction for direct objects in sentences, and it decides the case used. Inanimate nouns in the accusative case work like this. I see a restaurant. Я бачу ресторан.
Я бачу ресторан.
Nothing changes for the masculine noun. Ресторан stays ресторан. I see the car. Я бачу машину.
Я бачу машину.
For feminine nouns, a becomes u. Я бачу машину. Here's what happens to animate nouns in the accusative case. I see Alexander. Я бачу Олександра.
Я бачу Олександра.
I see Svetlana. Я бачу Світлану.
Я бачу Світлану.
Masculine nouns get the a, ya endings like they do in genitive, and luckily feminine nouns use the same u, u endings both for animate and inanimate. Even though masculine animate nouns look like the genitive case, it's very important to note that this is still the accusative case because the nouns are direct objects. Think of it as a branch or a subset of the accusative case. I know, it's confusing. I can say as someone whose first language is English, where there are no cases, no genders, no adjective agreement, no soft sounds, no hard sounds, and only one plural form, it's a lot. But just like any language, you simply have to keep repeating examples and eventually they will become second nature. No language is easy to learn, but millions of non-native students have learned every language, so you can too. What are some other animate nouns? Job titles are, seeing as they describe people. A manager is менеджер.
Менеджер.
He knows the manager. Він знає менеджера.
Він знає менеджера.
A cashier is касир.
Касир.
I don't see the cashier. Я не бачу касира.
Я не бачу касира.
Family members too. An uncle is дядько.
Дядько.
An aunt is тітка.
Тітка.
I see Uncle Alexander. Я бачу дядька Олександра.
Я бачу дядька Олександра.
I don't know Aunt Svetlana. Я не знаю тітку Світлану.
Я не знаю тітку Світлану.
A grandpa is дідусь,
Дідусь.
which is masculine. A grandma is бабуся.
Бабуся.
Applying the same rule we did to aunt and uncle, how would we say these sentences? Are you all looking for Grandpa Андрій? Ви шукаєте дідуся Андрія?
Ви шукаєте дідуся Андрія?
We see Grandma Maria. Ми бачимо бабусю Марію.
Ми бачимо бабусю Марію.
Most Ukrainians don't actually go by their full given name. The same way most Alexanders go by Alex in English, there are default short versions of most names. For Alexander, it's Sasha. Even though it's describing a male person, because it ends in a, if Sasha is the object of a sentence like I know Sasha, it would change to Sashu. Я знаю Сашу. In these situations, the ending of the word matters more than the gender of the person it describes. Svetlana's dog. Пес Світлани.
Пес Світлани.
I see Svetlana and Sasha. Я бачу Світлану і Сашу.
Я бачу Світлану і Сашу.